Here we've got a set of the G80, G82. These are the M3, M4 headlight assemblies. These are the laser versions, so super expensive. Our customer purchased these secondhand, and unfortunately, they both arrived with some damage, so we're replacing the lenses. Now, you might have a separate issue. You might have just pitting. Looks like these were coated in PPF, which is nice. You might have some pitting or some water entry, which we'll be able to resolve. These just have the broken tab. So we offer lens replacements for many different makes and models, primarily European models, but we can get lenses for a lot of different makes and models. So reach out to us if you have any questions. We will be replacing the lenses on this specific BMW. And well, it's not going to be a DIY, but we'll show you sort of the process and how we go about things and just the final look when it's all ready. But you can see this is the original seal and back housing. And when we're done, we're trying to retain that factory fresh look. So stay tuned, watch the video. We'll show you the before and after, maybe some in between as well. All right, these lights have been opened. All that sealant's been scraped out. Honestly, quite difficult, just the way that everything is situated here. This all has to come apart so you can properly clean these channels. And as you can see, part of the housing that sits at the front, it kind of makes up the channel in a few spots. It's like 3 up top, a little bit on the side. And these channels are very kind of inconsistent. They're hard to work with. Reminds me of a 718 Porsche headlight, which is made by the same company. And it can be a little bit difficult. This sealant's kind of stringy and it's not fun to get this all taken apart. And you want to make sure you clean everything up properly too, because otherwise that sealant can kind of hang out in the background and it's only going to cause you problems. But yeah, overall, we're about to put the sealant in, get the lens on, and then I'll show you the final product. But everything worked out really well. Just a matter of putting it together. But the time here is really in the prep. The lens came off pretty decently. Wasn't overly difficult, but it does take some effort. So we'll get this cleaned up and I'll show you the next step. Okay, here's the final product. So in the beginning of the video, I showed you the channel. We try to retain that as much as possible so that way it looks presentable. A lot of companies out there will just give you a decent looking front and the whole top is covered in silicone, just an ugly mess. So we try to retain that factory look. I mean, to an extent, we try to make it so it looks untouched. Obviously, it's difficult. These are pried open, a lot of work goes into them, a lot of wrestling. So I think we do a pretty darn clean job. So these came out really good. Obviously, it was all because of this corner that was missing, but these are brand new lenses, aftermarket lenses. And these came out really good. Overall, we're satisfied with the overall fitment and the overall quality. And we think this is a really good solution for anybody who's looking to replace a damaged lens, pitted lens. And over time, obviously, these will be subject to crazing and typical wear and tear. They're obviously still pretty new now. So we'll see what goes down. But if you guys have a model that's not listed on the website, or you're curious about a service for a lens replacement, or you're just not happy with your lighting, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you out and at least guide you to a proper solution. So subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And if you're looking for a little bit more of a DIY process, we can link you up to something that'll help you battle these perma-sealed lights that are found on a lot of modern vehicles. All right, thanks again.